Hey guys, so today we're going to be making clear slime. First of all, you're going to add the clear glue to the bowl, which for me was really hard to buy. I had to buy it online. And once you've added that to the bowl, I then added baking soda. Now let me tell you guys something. Do not add baking soda because I ended up with this sort of foggy clear kind of texture going on, which I was really gutted about because I was wanting some water clear slime and it's not what I got, which I was absolutely gutted about. But never mind, now I know, do not put baking soda in if you want clear slime. So anyway, I didn't want to stop videoing this because I paid money for this glue, I'm going to use it. So obviously I've added in the activator and mixed it together. And I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of like what it looked like, but obviously because I wanted clear slime, you know, I was a bit disappointed. But at the same time, if I wanted something that was a bit more cloudy and foggy, this was literally the perfect thing to do. So if you're looking to get not like a white kind of slime, but like a cloudy slime, literally add baking soda into it and this is what you'll get after it. So this was my end product and you know, I kind of liked what it looked like. It was like a kind of like glistening cloudy effect and it did feel quite stretchy, I've got to say. Obviously I didn't have a huge amount of slime because I didn't want to waste my clear glue because I only bought one bottle, so I've got a little bit left, so I'm going to try and reattempt this and hopefully end up with clear slime. As you can see here, you can see the kind of colour a lot better, and it's not like the white glue that you'll have if you use the white colour glue, but obviously it's not clear, but at the same time it does have a really cool effect. Like, I think I might add some glitter to this because I think it'll have a really nice effect, especially with the type of glue, because if you can see it's kind of clear when you stretch it out like that, but again, it's not what I was looking for. But you know, I'm happy with what I kind of end up with, even though it's not what I wanted, but still. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. If you have watched the ones before, and if this is your first time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And if you want me to do anything else, it does not have to be slime related at all. Let me know and I will try and do it whenever I can. Thanks guys, enjoy the video.